Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to cut a circle sleeve. You can call it a circle sleeve, flare sleeve, umbrella sleeve, depending on the name you choose to call it. I'll be using this fabric to cut it. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Put on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. To cut your circle sleeve, you're going to use your armhole measurements. If your armhole is 17, you're going to divide it with 6.28. If your armhole is 17, you're going to divide it by 6.28. The armhole I'm working with for this one is 12. It's a very small sleeve. It's 12. So I'm going to divide 12 by 6.28. If I divide 12 by 6.28, the armhole I'm working with is 12. So if I divide 12 by 6.28, is going to give me 1.9, but I will round it up to 2. I'll round it up to 2, and this is how you fold your fabric. Fold your fabric like this, then fold again. You're folding into 4. You're folding into 4. Now you're going to take the what you got. We got 2 as the armhole, so I'm going to measure the 2 round. Depending on what you get, measure it round and connect it. Now you're going to measure the length of the sleeve that you want. You're going to measure the length of the sleeve that you want. For me, I'll be taking 8 inches for the length of the sleeve. I'll be taking 8 inches. So I'm going to measure from here. This is my 8 inches, not almost, 7.5. So I'll be taking 7.5 inches for the length of the sleeve I want. So you're going to impute the length of the sleeve you want here. For me, I'm working with 7.5. I'm going to take it round and connect it. Connect it. Then you're going to cut. I'm going to cut. Now we're going to cut. After cutting, make sure you notch the middle, so I know where your middle is. Then open it up. When you open it up, this is our middle. This line is our middle. Now we are going to take your armhole measurements. The armhole measurement I'm working with is 12. When I divide it by 2, it will give me 6. So this is my 6. So now I'm going to connect from this middle. I'm going to connect down to the 6 inches. Down to the 6 inches. Now I'm going to cut it out. When I cut it out, this is what I have. Can you see my circle sleeve? Can you see my circle sleeve? So this shorter part now is going to be under your armhole. This side, this part that is short, you attach it under your armhole. This is going to be under the armhole, and this will be on the shoulder. But when you attach it, this is how it's going to drop. This is how it's going to drop. When you attach it, this is how it's going to drop. And you're going to cut another of this to make it 2 sleeves. You're going to cut another of this to make it 2 sleeves. Then you're going to attach it the same way you attach your sleeve. You're going to attach it round to your sleeve. Please, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Please like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is your circle sleeve, your umbrella sleeve, your flare sleeve.